kwachu uyu kwake toenda tingoenda isinyaya
kuti nongosikochipinda kasi
unobhukazve unobhukazve naye zvadziko chiko nezvekugunda kugrandi kwemwana wangu
kasiyana
pasana nemukomba sedham nekwacharuma nekutapasedham zvakasiyana Towers!
Akungopindiwe ka. So
stand there. Stand gogo. Right. Guys, one day guys. One day mutu wanero jemu redu iri. Riri kuti representa kuno ku Europe. Guys, mwana ari kuti representa guys. Raising Zimbabwean flag in UK. Yeah, guys. Uyaimuone guys, kuzvara kwevamwe vanhu vasikana. Uyaimuone. Uyaimuone guys. With me here I've got Tawanda Maswanise Jetro. Using Jetro. Okay. Tawanda Jetro. I'm with him here, guys. Well, now he's a Zimbabwean guy, Zimbabwean child, guys, son of the soil, representing Zimbabwe in UK. Guys, already the child is playing for Leicester City. Wow, you guys, you are eating a lot. Is he taking your man? Why is he taking your man? Hey, brother, be married man. Why you? Huh? Oh. My bless us with pounds. 200 pounds, eh? 200. Ah, it can take 20 pounds. Guys, when I what I always say, this live is sponsored by Zororo Pumulani and Nitika, proudly powered by Doves. I always say, could you have your own police who can first to go fund me, school saver diaspora, as little as 13 pounds per month, you can get a cover, and you want to cover 8 people, right? So, but that you guys, nature talent, I'm just here to inspire somebody else. You can nature talent, you know, us African moms, takaona mwana chitamba bora, tinotora tiende zvourombe. Udatamba bora unozotamba bora kupinde zvourombe izvi. Mwana akatileta zvemagitari nezvourombe. I think it's your volume, Brian. Mine has got volume. And mwana uyu akutotambira Leicester City. Leicester City already is playing for Leicester City. The parents did not stand in his way to say you can't do this because munevana vakawanda vanobva kuAfrica vari kuAfrica vari muno muEurope vanogona kutamba bhora, but because of certain reasons amude unoda kuchuzira mwana career. You want to choose a career for your child to say I want you to be a medical doctor, I want you to be an engineer. Guys, mwana haasi koko. Kuna mwe vana siri kuma academics, guys. Animaona kuna mwana siri good kuma academics, vatori good kuma sports, and it ngatine che talent dzevana. I'm just here to encourage vabereki. Animaona kuti you can do mwana wako zvaari kuda antika izvozvo chimbogara naye hanzi is that TJ. Yes hands. How old is he? How old are you? 20 years old. When did you start playing for Leicester City? 7 years. How old were you then?
7, 8 years old. Yeah, I've been out
7 years.
No, for like, so I've been there since the age of 7, 8, 7.
You started playing at the age of 7.
7 years, yeah.
That's what I'm surprised. Yeah? Guys, akatanga kutamba bora ane 7 years ku Leicester. Yeah. The same club.
Yeah.
Yo! Wow, you are damn good, boy. When are you having your next match? I want to be there. I'm going to be there. Hey, I'm going to. May I cheer? I can cheer. When are you playing?
We've got friendlies this month and next month. So.
Yeah, on that friendly. You are going to make sure you win because I'm going to be there cheering.
You can't contact them.
Your father is my brother. Do you know? Do you know that? He's my brother from home, this one. Okay, Manaka Changa Chamba Burani 7 years, guys. Also, the dad is the manager.
The boss.
Manaka requires Zimbo, will always be a Zimbo. But Manaka does very good manager, guys. I saw Gona winner from 7 years. From 7 years, 7, 8 years, I stand up Tambra team. Now he's 20. Akuram team, yo. Mwana uyu akurira mutimu yeLeicester City guys. Akurira hanzi well done man. Yes guys, zvinodadisa izvi. Daddy Jeff. Ai mbomira zvana Daddy Jeff izvo. Ini ndiri kuda kutaridza imwana. Zva Daddy Jeff muchaita kumba kwenyu ikoko. Hanimona. Guys, zvinodadisa. This is amazing guys. This is amazing guys. I'm going to go and try and locate kuti vanongo anofarira chii guys. Nditomboenda. Ndineka Kelif anofarira ballet. Ndaizviramba chiti ndambuka makumbo. Ballet yekuita sei, but I think I need to nurture that talent guys because inogona kuendesa mwana kure. Look at him, 20 years now, still in the same club, Leicester City. Atone mari yakashuba kama mwana uyu guys. Hans, don't give up on your dreams. Work hard every day. So how were you balancing it, like going to the soccer field and school?
Oh no, I finished education.
But you started when you were going to school. Yeah, when you were about to start school.
Just like gotta eat right, sleep right, especially. And that will all follow. It will make sense. Like your day to day will be better.
Okay, but did you pass?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, right. Yeah. So, what do you want to say to those to the parents who are watching you right now? That wants or that has kids.
Yeah.
That they are trying to say, don't do this, don't do this. They're trying to restrict kids from doing whatever they like, their passion. What can you say to them?
You just gotta see what they want to do from early. You don't force them into things, but like if they like something like that, let them do it. Then they'll be really passionate about it. So if you really want them to play football, not force them, but like give them a pathway, show them a pathway.
Okay. So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Still playing football, probably at the highest levels.
Like which team do you like think of or dream of playing for? You are a Chelsea fan.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna be a Chelsea fan too, because I was looking for a team to support, but I didn't have one. Now that you have made it, why Chelsea though?
I've supported them all my life.
Okay. So, do you see yourself playing for Chelsea? Have you ever gone for trials?
I have dreams in my head. I'm delusional. I have dreams.
Oh, you're delusional. Okay. Have you ever gone to the trials?
No. It's just I've been Leicester. I don't need to have trials there. They've got players there.
So how are you going to switch to go to Chelsea if you want to play for Chelsea?
They'll contact me or my agency. Yeah, that's how it works.
Oh, Hansi is far from the phone, you can't hear. Okay, no, you are gonna hear now. Hansi Chelsea are gonna no go to Chelsea fan here. Now Brian. Blue. You like blue? I just pray and hope. I'm just going to start praying and fasting now so that you go to Chelsea, so that they locate you, so that they see you. Because you've got a very good tracking record from 7 years, the same club, Leicester City, till now. No, they must do something. But even if you can switch to what do you call it, Manchester City. Manchester City. Because now it's winning. Now it's doing well.
You're right.
Wow. So you were someone who kumusha Zimbabwe. Do you know how to speak Shona? Not at all.
I understand it.
You understand it, but you can't speak. What's stopping you from speaking?
Nothing stopping me. I speak English. I'm in the UK right now.
Yeah, but of course one day you come to Africa. So you're going to go Kumkoba too. Kumkoba too.
I can understand them.
You can understand them.
Yeah,
but we've got grannies that doesn't even understand English in Africa.
Okay, but all I gotta do is just show them love. That's it.
Show them love with your English. And they'll say, what are you saying? They'll say, what are you saying? What are you going to do?
Well, I just gotta show them love, that's it.
You must go get married in Africa.
You think?
Yeah.
I wanna get married somewhere in Europe next.
Why Europe?
Italy, somewhere.
In Italy.
Somewhere.
So are you saying in Africa we don't have beautiful girls? They are there.
I want to get married in Italy. I mean, it's in Africa. That's my choice, no?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You can get married in Zimbabwe.
Yeah. That's your choice though. Hey, I'm so happy for you. Hans is so handsome. Yes, he is. He's just like the mother and the father. The father is my brother, oh guys. Hey, mwana wa njadzi yangu. Ndiri auntie wake, I'm the auntie. Mwana wa njadzi yangu, guys. Mwana wa njadzi yangu. Hey, mwana wa njadzi yangu, she's cute. So mama to him. Yes, guys, I'm just a proud auntie, Maona. Proud auntie, guys. Proud auntie. Hanza sharo ramurungu. I know, whatever. Choice yake. Okune majara ari kutamba bhora uku. Guys, kune madhora ari kutamba bhora guys ndafara zvekuti mwana ari kureza flag yedu guys kunoko zvinongofadza saka guys itai kuti vana venyu musavastope kuti vaite zvavarikuda kuita guys anoda kuimba nature talent aimbe ari kuda kuita zvemodeling regira mwana wako aite modeling one day anoita Miss Universe ari kuda kuita zvebhora regira mwana wako aende tsvagirai vana matimu mozoti kune vana vako vanowe kudiwe kuAfrica vanofarira bhora kune academic schools kuAfrica uko anana Edobek Dina avanenge vachitora vachinecha vana bhora ikoko vachidzisa vana bhora anditika torai nigikiri torai manhamba muindise vana venyu ikoko musaomere nemari guys because mari unofa uchiziya ndochokwadi kwai takataita mukwasha azviiti vari related naKelly azviiti anomaona mwana njodzi yangu shu saka inzwai munzwe guys mukataura navo vanonecha talent yemwana anditika koko mari musachengete mari kuna mwana unogona kuona mari yakangofuta iri mubank asi mwana chati mami I can play soccer I want to play soccer and you know very well kuti your son can play soccer but you don't want the son to play soccer because unoti ndezvemarombe iyo imwe living proof maiona imwe kuti Leicester City Zimbabwe ririmo imofei nongodira mazimba kungwara zimba rakangwara wedu zimba ndo imabachene ndokupa izando kungwara zimba guys ibozvisira my love never legs guys aiwa zimba kana ibozvisira my love never legs zimba rakangwara kwanza nofara zvekudrowa right emakireti mwana anofara zvekudrowa andika let him draw kune ma-professionals artists aya anotava a-professional artist anodrowa zviri unoziva kuti art ine mari zvinhu zvidiki zvimwe zvavanodrowa zvinenge zviri zvimari zvinenge zvine meaning vanogona kudrowa nyaya yako kutaura nyaya yako ine drawing ine painting andowana mwana anogona kudrowa story yako maybe a broken heart through a painting and ndomaona mapainting anoona chinzi painting one utengeswa 250 euro anomaona 250,000 pounds animazviona ariko mani rega mwana drowe musapoti adrowe mwana musapoti I don't know kuti vanoendeswa kupi but let the kid draw iwe supporter and as long as zvisinga interact in time yake kuchikoro adzoka murega draw na Grace na Kelly waridzi nene anditika une mwana mukomana tione mwana Kelly kanotoisa pa tobvotanga tomboita ka interview guys ka interview kuti zvinyatsobuda mona saka guys nature talent revana guys I think we need to educate more tega one day tombota live yevana yema talents evana nezvatinotya our fears as parents when it comes to ma talents evana kana kuti zvinodiwa nevana because you guys should understand kuti generation yedu yachinja takakura takamanikidzwa kuti zvatatsinga nini vabereki isusu but iko zvino zvachinja andimaona zvachinja now vana vakuzvichuzira zvavanoda haisisiri nguva yaina mbuya nehanda vana vakuita zvavanoda andimaona so yes even kubika mashefu ndo vari kutibikira kamachefu akatoita chef kunze kwenyika kunoko anofane keshi anofane mari kunoko imagine your child being a chef in Australia or in wherever anofa paita ma legends panapa guys sorry you guys let's not over over life kondiba Morisa ma legends asma pera boys mamu zero guys panapa igweru guys chirikaona na kudai tiri takufunga zvokumba maona tete akumbo take each other back down memory lane anti mashona thanks Brighton thanks and murikona with me here tina maraino unomziva guys andika maraino munomziva maraino akambonetsa pagwelo apa achitambira chapungu pagwelo akambonetsa achitambira chapungu but maraino dambo kupaka interview yombo yazozviza kuti zvakatanga sezvo zvako zvebhora izvi nana kene mteje na album mteje vakazopera taurako but yainetsa kubhora vaikava bhora saka nai maraino besides bhora iro riri mabhuza zirama kutamba iri kune rimwe here nikikiri kumwe kwamunotambira ati zvangu zvemasocial iri to keep but muchiri fit henyu okay every Monday all right just to keep fit all of you andina kuona Steven ari okay all right but zviri kufaya nditi zviri kufaya saka muri kunecha here talent yemwana vedu muri kubatsira here mwana ya batsirai mwana aende kuri mwana ane dream rekutambira Chelsea team Anzi maraino yesi na Priscilla mashanise. Yes, Priscilla tise tongokura zvo oda tigaita diki. Takura tachembera. Muda kuti tisiye apa. Kwamba ndiwe kunyika ipi kwa? Kwa ime chama uburera zote?
Ndongotamba nano itamba.
Chungwiza.
I have a lot of football stars friends. A lot of them.
Okay, like
Present here, the former, a lot of players I'm just friends with.
Oh,
I'm more popular now than
Physical instructor is my
he's a physical instructor. All right. No, I get you.
My name is Tintin. I'm more popular than a few footballers.
Tintin is more popular than you guys. In the comment section, Tintin is more popular than you.
Popular than Fianishi Wuri.
I'm more popular than some of the football some of the footballers. But it's nice seeing Zimbabweans coming together, guys, to play. Like maona utikana iri passion. If it's a passion, guys. No matter where you go, wakura say you know damkira kumbori ground imomo. Amona. Uno damkira ori mkumbo imomo. Tintin, Hans, how are you, Sawira? I don't know if you know this one. I don't know if this one knows you. Answer Brian, no, Facebook Live. Brian Powell, something.
Oh, my supporter.
Kwanza urifeni wewe, kwanza urisupporta urifeni yake. Brian, you have made it in life. Kutafeni Tintin. How you have made it in life? You have made it in life. Kwanza umwendiwana it's been years. I know that guys ndasvika late ndanonoka kusvika utachibva kure saka vamwe vaenda ndinava kuvaona ini vamwe vaenda kana tichiura karipo aenda right kuma refreshments uko ndokwanisa kuitira live guys movaona vese pana Kennedy Chiuri nani okay all right vamwe vangu vachingori mubatanidzwa vamangoita wapi okay mune team yenye Leicester okay all right oh that's nice guys stay tuned andika mozomuona kana tave uko mozoona asi we are just happy kuti at least maona wandi maona ka ndikuranga tichikura tiri muAscot Stadium guys Maraino achitakabata bhora toti Maraino achimanya manje kuna Maraino zvakatotangira kuchikoro ndoko zvakatotangira aimhanya nebhora aiskora 20 scores ari 1 ground uyu angari first bro wangu chaiye kutodaro ari bro wangu chaiye kutodaro andakuona nase ndasvika achirigona ka ndanonoka angari bro wangu wedu taisupporters tatiri masupporter chaiyo top supporters tisaimba zvisingaiti kotikona nekubiko kwemuri kuindepi
Avana mota yawo iruko.
Oh. Aiwa bana nemota yake hapo. Nemota yangu ilipa zaidi hapo. All right guys, ndokubana time tamandika.